Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In my videos, I often mention probiotics and the importance of incorporating probiotics in your daily diet. I'm a big believer of the important role probiotics play in our bodies, and there is extensive research backing my conviction. In this video, I will try to summarize why I think it is so important for you to include probiotics, food, and supplement in your diet. So here we go. Probiotics are involved in every aspect of your health, whether it is mental clarity, regulating hormones, prevention of ulcers, treatment of ulcerative colitis and irritable bowel syndrome, urinary tract infections, or treatment of asthma and eczema. So what are probiotics? Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are specially beneficial for your digestive system. We usually think of bacteria and yeast as germs that cause diseases, but our body is full of bacteria, good and bad. Probiotics are the good or helpful bacteria because they help keep our bodies healthy. And here's a fun fact for you about probiotics. We have about 40 trillion cells in our body. The bacteria in our body outnumbers these cells 10 to 1. Just think about it. That's an incredible amount. Probiotics are not only in our gut, they are everywhere in and around our body, and they play some very crucial roles in proper functioning of our bodies. Let me mention some of these roles. They help digest food. Without proper digestion, our bodies wouldn't be able to extract nutrients that they need for optimal functioning. They help treat digestive disorders ranging from diarrhea to UC and everything in between. Its use improves intestinal health. It helps in lowering cholesterol in the body. It enhances immunity. It supports weight loss and weight gain. It supports brain health and hormone balance, which means all the issues related to hormonal imbalances, such as hyperthyroidism, hyperglycemia, and even diabetes. Now, how can you determine whether you need probiotics? There are signs of who might need probiotics, but from experience, I'm telling you that all of us should be taking probiotics, especially people who have taken antibiotics recently. Antibiotics wipe out bacteria from the body, both good and bad. If you have taken antibiotics recently, you need to have some sort of program to restore the microbiome in your body. People who are on prescription medication should also take probiotics regularly, including diabetes medication, cholesterol, blood pressure medication, stuff like that. Mental health problems, anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, and even autism shows connection to a misbalanced and damaged microbiome. Probiotic use has documented benefits for all mental health related concerns. People who have chronic diarrhea should really be taking probiotics. People who have allergies have skyrocketed in recent times. Probiotics play a huge role in resolving these problems. Skin conditions, acne breakdown, eczema, hives, rashes. Probiotics is the first thing you want to try when you're experiencing these concerns. Digestive disorders, inflammatory bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, UC, usually the culprit is the same. Probiotics are your answer in resolving most, if not all, digestive disorders. If you're suffering from digestive disorders, it is an almost surefire indication that you're lacking in probiotics. Autoimmune conditions are also an indication that your body needs probiotics. Autoimmune conditions in our societies have reached a crisis point. Psoriasis, arthritis, MS, inflammatory bowel disease, lupus have become common household names recently. Not only do we have autoimmune disorders, we have a problem with a depressed immune system where people are constantly getting flus, allergies, asthma, you name it. Probiotics help restore immune system. So instead of relying on external factors like flu shots, what we need to do is boost our immune systems and let our bodies fight these invaders naturally. If you're struggling with weight issues, whether it's struggling to lose weight or struggling to gain it, probiotics can help. Again, it has to do with restoring the microbiome of the body, which helps it find its balance. There are a few points you should keep in mind. You want to take high quality probiotic supplements from a reputable company. You want to make sure they are not old and been sitting on the shelf for years. I would recommend 50 billion CFU or higher for adults and up to 5 billion CFU for children. And definitely you want to look for probiotics that cater to children or are specifically made for them. You should also include foods in your daily diet which are rich in probiotics. These include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, kombucha, pickles, and other fermented foods. Many probiotics are many foods are easily available in whole food stores or health food stores. Make probiotics your priority health focus for just a month, and you will be amazed at the results. I would love to hear about how probiotics have affected your health. Make sure to share them with me in the comment section below. I'm here for you. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. And also feel free to suggest what topics you would like me to cover in my videos in the future. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Goodbye.